In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Forms desktop shortcut. This simple yet effective trick is perfect for those of you looking to streamline your digital workflow, ensuring quick and easy access to your most used Google Forms directly from your desktop. So let's dive in and walk you through this process step by step. First, you'll want to start by opening the particular Google form that you wish to create a shortcut for. To do this, simply launch your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google form of your choice. This could be one you've created, a form you frequently use, or simply one that you need a more accessible way to get to. Make sure it's fully loaded in the browser. Once you have your Google form open, you'll want to focus your attention on the address bar right at the top of your browser window. It's here that the URL, or web address, is displayed. This address is essentially the digital home of your form, and we're going to use it to create that shortcut. Now click and hold on to the small icon to the left of the URL. This might be a padlock symbol or a small globe, depending on your browser, but it serves as the perfect grip point. With a firm hold on the URL, drag it directly onto your desktop. As you do this, you'll notice your cursor will change to indicate a shortcut is being created. This is a visual affirmation that you're performing the correct action. Release the click once you have it positioned on the desktop, and just like that, you'll notice a new shortcut has appeared. Now, let's add some personal touches to your new shortcut to make it clearly identifiable and more aesthetically pleasing. You can easily do this by right-clicking on your newly created desktop shortcut. A drop-down menu will appear, offering several options. Select Rename if you wish to change the shortcut's name to something more descriptive, like Weekly Reports Form or Employee Feedback Form. Giving it a meaningful name can save you even more time by allowing you to instantly recognize the link without opening it. Moreover, if you're feeling a bit creative, this is also a great time to update the shortcut's icon to something that visually represents the form's contents or purpose. This can be done by selecting Properties from that same drop-down menu, then navigating to Change Icon. Choose from available icons or browse your computer for custom images. Once you're satisfied with your customizations, hit OK, and there you have it, a personalized, easily accessible shortcut to your Google Forms right at your fingertips. And there you have it, a straightforward way to create and customize Google Forms shortcuts directly on your desktop. This small change can make a big difference in how you manage and access your forms. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you to become even more organized and efficient in your daily tasks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.